It's Vacuums 101 here, and today I'm going to be comparing the Westinghouse Unplugged, which is basically the unplugged cordless version of the Fantom Wildcat, versus the Hoover Windtunnel Air, which is in the UK called the Vax Mach Air. I'm going to be starting with the Windtunnel Air. As you can see, it did a very good job of cleaning it up, but it had one problem, which I'm not sure if you guys can. Okay, one sec. It caught paper in the little here and then here, which I would have to dislodge with a paper clip or taking the bottom part off. And there's no suction on this little end, which yeah, here's a belt, and then there's no suction on this end since there's a belt here, so it was just spinning around. But let me vacuum up a little bit more, just so the Westinghouse Unplugged doesn't have as much. And actually, let me just show off the hose for right now, see how that works. So that was pretty good, and as you probably could have heard, the Windtunnel Air is twice as quieter, or as you will see in a few seconds or minutes, that the air is much quieter than the Westinghouse or a lot of other vacuums. I mean, maybe Dyson is about the same, but yeah, this one is pretty quiet. The Hoover, obviously. And now on to the Unplugged. And it got clogged, which is a really big problem with this thing. There we go. Because it has such a narrow airway, it's not even used well enough. me see if without the plastic insert, if it's actually going to work better. The plastic insert I'm talking about is this. It basically goes in here and then it just goes a direct airway. It doesn't really help. Let's see what this. And it's still taut, so. Well, since this isn't really cooperating, let me just use the hook for that matter, like I did with the Hoover. So there you have it. Here's the Westinghouse Unplugged Fantom Wildcat. Sorry about that. And here's the Hoover Windtunnel Air. So yeah guys, comment, rate, subscribe, and definitely watch other videos of mine.